Testing. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video! So today's nail set is based on something I saw on Pinterest. So if you want to check that out, stay tuned. Alright guys, so these are my nails after I prep them off camera. Make sure to prep your nails before you start them. These are some nail tips that I found on Amazon. Make sure you size them before you start just to make the whole process easier. This is one of the UV nail lamps that I use to cure my nail tips to my nail beds. And this is my 120 watt UV nail lamp that I use to cure my polygel. So to glue on my nail tips, I use the Burano 3-in-1 base coat. If you want your nails to last, you need to use nail glue. I use this because it's easy for me to take off my nails since I do them so often. I made sure to size all the tips to my nail beds off camera, so it's okay if they don't fit perfectly because as you're doing your nails, you just have to file and cut little pieces here and there to make it work. So these are all my nails after I finish adhering the tips to my nail beds. Be sure to cure the base coat under the lamp for about 10 to 20 seconds just to make sure it sticks. And I know it's looking a little rough right now, but just trust the process. We're gonna get into it. Alright, so now I need to file the shine off of the nail tips, and I'm using my e-file, and I put a sanding band on the drill bit, and I'm putting it into the e-file right now. Make sure you don't have your nail gel turned all the way up. You want to take your time with this part because too much friction can burn the nail bed and you'll be in pain. Now I'm putting the white polygel from Gershon on the nail, and I'm just getting my 91% isopropyl alcohol from my Dapping Dish, and then I'm going to push the polygel along the nail and basically mold it into the shape that I want. After you finish molding each nail, make sure to cure it under the nail lamp for 60 to 120 seconds and then wipe it off with 91% isopropyl alcohol to get rid of that tacky layer. went ahead and used my hand file to file the sides of the nail off camera to really get that stiletto shape. And now I'm using my e-file to file off the top to get those ridges and smooth it out. So now I'm prepping my nails for the nail art I'm going to do with a layered base coat, and after this I cure it under my nail lamp for about 10 seconds just to let it get tacky so the nail powder can adhere. And I'm taking my hot pink nail powder and I'm just going to place it across the nail from the tip closer to the cuticle area, but not all going all the way in because I wanted to create a ombre look. I actually ended up using a makeup brush to do this because I couldn't find any proper brushes for my nail, but any brush similar to this one will do. Be sure to do dabbing motions across the nail instead of swiping it to make sure that it's pigmented and it reduces fallout. Coating the nails to give it that nice shine, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. For the middle finger, I decided to go with a different design and use the pink again instead of the purple, and it's more of like a wavy S-shaped kind of design, not exactly S-shaped, but you get the gist. Of my nails, I decided to put gems all over them. So for the ring finger, I decided to go with a full nail of gems, and now I'm just putting the rhinestone glue on. And for the rest of my nails, I decided to do cuticle gems on my pinky and thumb and a nail gem border on my index finger. Alright, so here's the finished nail set. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really liked creating this beginner-friendly nail set. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all in the next video.